Sebastian! Mga Sebastian babies. Sebastian, look! Look, smile! Sin! I love you! Ang cute-cute naman siya. Shark! O, diba? Ang cute nyo nila sa mga damit nyo talaga. O, diba? Hi daw, be hi! Let's go! My house. Good morning! Say good morning! Good morning! Jacob! Shark! Sing!
Wow!
Sing!
Another day, another vlog.
Ah! Silaw! Yung breakfast time.
8 months.
Yeah, ito ang ating breakfast. What's your no breakfast? Waffle? Where's the plate? You'll get one waffle. Wow. Get your plate. One waffle daw si Shark eh. Ano yung sa kabila? You want this one? Ay, pa siya look oh. You want this one?
Cereal.
Oh yes, cereal you want? Cereal you want? Cereal? I know. This one. Get cereal. Go. Slowly. Oops. Enough. Other one. The other one. Mix. Mix with the other one. Oh, enough. 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 Now, let's go. Tapos may sotang dito. Ito naman yung soup nila. So, at yung mga bread. Bread. Meron silang corn beef. Ito yung kinuha natin. Marami silang option. Gary's breakfast time. So ito ating breakfast dito guys. Breakfast Zane! Mahalabas na naman na Zane! Lumalabas na naman na Zane! Zane! Jacob! Smile! Cheese! Say cheese daw. Cheese! Zane! B! I love you! Anya! I love you! Si Shark, bising-bising kumuha ng Diyos dun, oh. Wow! Yummy! Shark! Sharky! Hi! Oh, eat na, eat! Enough! Eat na! Wow!
Mommy,
Cereal! Oh, eat the cereal! High five! Very good! Very good! Jacob! Wow! Magaling na yung kumain ng watermelon. Tinatanggal niya na ang buto kaso naglamire doon. Buti may lampin. May tissue. Jacob! Seryoso si Jacob. Ayan. Nandito tayo sa Tagaytay. Uy, madulas ha. Diba? Sebastian! Oh, lahat lilingon. Sebastian! Oh.
Cheese, say
Say
cheese.
cheese! Say cheese!
Shark, say cheese.
Say mo cheese!
Shark, say cheese.
Say cheese! Sebastian!
Hi, say cheese.
Cheese! Lagi nakaganyan. Jacob, ba't pa sa one more.
Cheese.
Cheese! Ba't may ganyan yung mata?
Baon pa si Shark na.
Ay, may swimming pool dun, Bio. Ayun o. Swimming pool.
Shark, dito na ba ako nalabas ulit?
Sana ano, no, heater. No. May stadium pa dun, oh.